One of the quietest, most profound signs of maturity isn't found in grand achievements, but in the stillness of the mind. It's the gradual reduction of unnecessary mental conflict. It's the end of arguing with yourself. Think of the small battles we fight daily. Should you send that text? How should you phrase that email? Did you say the right thing 5 years ago? In our youth, these questions can become internal wars, replayed and debated endlessly. But as we mature, the battlefield quiets down. We begin to realize that not every thought deserves a debate, and not every decision requires a committee meeting in our head. Fewer things demand constant, draining deliberation. This shift happens as our core values become clearer. Like a compass finally pointing true north, our principles begin to guide our choices automatically. When you know what truly matters to you, kindness, integrity, growth, or peace, the options that don't align with those values simply fall away. The need for debate shrinks because the answer is already embedded in who you are. You spend less time deciding and more time living, guided by an internal framework that is both strong and flexible. You can cultivate this quiet. When the inner argument starts, just breathe. A single deep breath can interrupt the cycle. Then label the thought for what it is. There's the worry thought. Or, that's the self-criticism script. By naming it, you separate yourself from it. You see it as mental noise, not a command. Then make a choice and move on. Decide once. Trust your judgment. The world won't end if you don't relitigate every minor decision. The reward for this practice is immense. Peace grows where unnecessary conflict once thrived. Your mental energy, no longer wasted on pointless debates, can be directed toward what you truly care about. Your work, your creativity, your connections. Your relationships improve because you are more present, less caught up in the turmoil of your own mind. You bring a sense of calm to others because you have found it within yourself. This isn't about apathy. It's about efficiency of spirit. It's about choosing your battles wisely, starting with the ones inside. So, for today, try this one small act of peace. Find one inner argument, one recurring worry, and consciously decide to let it go. Release it, and notice the space that opens up when it's gone.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.